Hey everybody, it's Ellie.
Just recording.
Okay,
It's a video. We will add it to our family YouTube. So daddy will see what you're doing.
Today is about what's in my...
What's in my... Oops!
Ellie, what is it? What's in my what?
Muna. We're just here. Lali.
What's in my...
Lali with the dumb
You
wrap.
want ice cream, Ellie?
Oh, I'll get you ice cream later.
I'll buy ice cream.
Ice cream cone. Hot dog. Hot dog.
Ellie, go. 3, 2, 1, Ellie, look! It's Ellie's What's in My Bag video. Let's open.
Lali, my memory is getting wasted. Go. Just make a video. It's for us. Just say, pretend.
So
Because you're not doing anything here. You want to go around the IKEA, right? You have to do that for mommy. Go. I'm gonna visit all the rooms there. Our inspiration. Go.
The first thing you see when you open my bag is... What is it, Ellie? What's this, Ellie? No, Ellie, what's this muna? What's this?
Book.
A book or a sketchbook?
The sketchbook.
A sketchbook. And then,
A book.
what is the book about? Why that book?
Because it's about dogs.
What's this? What's this? It's empty. Hey, you have to say what it is.
This is a totally Mentos inside one, and this is where my trinkets are, and this
Is
is
there laman
pointers,
in the... Ano,
and
wait lang. Is there laman in the Mentos?
totally
Okay, the next of this one.
coin, whatever this is, paper, tic-tac-toe, and a pencil. That's all.
No, what's this? What's in this compartment?
Oh, this is just a pen and gold.
Show it.
You can't be hurt because you have coffee.
What else? What does it look like inside? It's a baonan, Ellie. What's in here? The outside zipper.
It's scissors.
Why do you have scissors?
Get a picture here.
Oh, for cutting your hair.
Come to the back.
Can
And
I
then-
cut your hair?
No, because you don't know how. And Ellie, what's this?
Oh, you have. Thank you. So, this one here lang na left. Ellie!
Ellie,
I'll
what's
show
this?
you. Yan! Good move.
What else is inside? Nothing? Okay.
Here, oh. Two here.
Put back the ano here, Ellie. Put it back inside and let's pack Ellie's bag. Okay na. Balik na dito. Ellie, bring it back here. And then close the outside
Put
zipper.
that trash inside again.
And then let's pack Ellie's bag.
This one first.
No, it should be the book first, Ellie. And then you put everything on top. Oh, it's like Mr. Bean's suitcase. Because you have a teddy pa, oh. Ba't cargo niya lang ganun? Hand
Where's
carry?
my sketchbook?
Ellie, it's inside.
Galing yan sa patter. Yung ano, yung pambata doon. Patter bag ba yun?
Battery barn. Here, oh. Ba't po pinipili niya?
Ha?
Gusto niya hand carry, okay lang sa kanya.
Yan pa yung gusto ko eh. Eh, yan, hand carry lang naman yan eh. Bauna na actually yan eh. Insulated.
Oo, pero ba't niya ginagamit parang bag?
Okay.
You say bye? What's that? Say it, don't do it.
Bye-bye
Say it.
na. Bye.
Thank you for watching Ellie's video.